Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com. Here today spotlighting our blow-off valve adapter for the S550 EcoBoost Mustang as well as the CD4 EcoBoost Fusion. Your car from the factory is equipped with a recirculation valve, and the idea behind this valve is to relieve turbo boost as you're letting out of the throttle. Whether you're letting out of the throttle because of the fact that you're getting ready to shift or because you're modulating the throttle, the turbo's still making a bit of boost. This boost is pushing against the throttle body butterfly that's now closed, and we need to relieve that pressure. This is what the recirculation valve does. In comes our blow-off valve adapter. The idea behind this is, instead of having the recirculation valve recirculate the boost back into the system, it allows it to breathe to atmosphere. A note to those of you watching, it may not be for everybody. Because of this vents to atmosphere, you do get those turbo sounds. 99% of you love it, but for you 1%ers out there, we just want to make sure you're aware that this will make some noise anytime you let out the throttle or modulate the throttle. You will know you're driving a turbocharged car. We've constructed this blow-off valve adapter of 6061 aircraft grade aluminum and CNC machined it for precision fitment. Now we manufacture this in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility. If you have any questions or comments about this, or if you've installed one yourself, let us know below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.